In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a student report card in Microsoft Word. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document. A report card should be clear, organized, and easy to read, so we'll use tables to arrange the student's information, subjects, grades, and other details neatly on the page. Begin by typing the title of the report card at the top of the page. You can type something such as Student Report Card and place it in the center. Make the title larger and bold so it stands out from the rest of the document. Next, add the basic student information below the title. You can include details such as the student's name, grade level, section, school year, and other information needed for the report card. Arrange these details neatly so they are easy to identify. Now, insert a table where you can list the student's subjects and grades. Go to the Insert tab, select Table, and choose the number of rows and columns you need. The exact number will depend on how many subjects and grading details you want to include. In the first row of the table, enter headings for the information you want to display. For example, you can have columns for subject, first grading, second grading, third grading, fourth grading, and final grade. Adjust the width of the columns so that the headings and grades fit properly. Next, enter the subjects in the first column and add the corresponding grades in the appropriate columns. Continue filling in the table until all of the required subjects and grading information have been added. You can format the table to make the report card easier to read. Select the table and use the table design and layout options to adjust the borders, alignment, font, and spacing. You can also make the heading row bold so it is easier to distinguish from the grades. After the grades section, you can add additional information such as the student's general average, remarks, or other relevant details. Place these sections below the main table and format them consistently with the rest of the document. Finally, review the entire report card and check that the student information, subjects, grades, and other details are properly aligned. Make sure the table fits neatly on the page and that all of the information is easy to read. And that's how you can create a simple and organized student report card in Microsoft Word. Using tables and basic formatting, you can create a professional-looking report that is easy to customize for different students and grading periods. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,